What is a W-9 form, why do you need one, and what needs to be included? We're eForms, the world's largest online database of fillable legal forms, and if you want to know the answer to these questions, a few more important details, and where to download a W-9 form, keep watching to the end of this video. An IRS Form W-9, normally called a W-9, is a document provided by individuals or organizations to another individual or organization so that information may be reported for taxes. W-9s are used in the United States mostly for independent contractors such as freelancers, but are also used in real estate transactions, by banks, and even legal settlements. Now, why do you need to fill out a W-9 form? Let's say you're a freelancer or contractor that is working with a company or client. You will be required to fill out this form so that they can legally pay you. If for some reason you refuse to provide a W-9 form, it could result in compliance issues for the paying party, such as withholding payment or termination of services, and can also result in financial penalties for you. Let's cover who is required to fill out a W-9 form. A W-9 form must be filled out in the following situations. Independent contractors. A business that hires a freelancer may request a W-9 form so that they can obtain the TIN or SSN in order to report payments to the IRS using a form called a 1099 NEC. Banking. In banking, a W-9 form may be required by financial institutions in order to report capital gains, dividends, or interest. A Form 1099 DIV is normally submitted to the IRS. Rental income. Say you have a rental property management for your rental. The company will request a W-9 form to record payments made, which are later reported on a 1099 miscellaneous form. Real estate transactions. If you sell a property, a W-9 form for the buyer or seller may be requested to report transitions such as the proceeds of the sale to the IRS using a 1099-S form. Legal settlements. If you receive money in a legal settlement, the payer may need to request a W-9 form for tax reporting purposes using a 1099 miscellaneous form. The following are not required to fill out a W-9 form. Employees of a company who would instead fill out a W-4. Payments or reimbursements made to friends. Payments made to charities or qualified nonprofits, and if the services paid are under the IRS threshold of $600. Now let's go over what needs to be included in the form. Make sure to check out that all of the information is filled out accurately, otherwise it could result in penalties or having to resubmit the form. A W-9 form can be signed, dated, and sent electronically and should include the following information: name, business name if applicable, federal tax classification, exemptions, address including city, state, and zip, and account numbers. The contractor or business must also enter their taxpayer identification number, which must match the given name on line 1. This is usually the taxpayer's SSN or EIN. A valid signature and date must also be applied in order for the form to be legally valid. The date being marked should be the same as the day the form is being provided by the requester. Filling out everything you need for your taxes can seem overwhelming, but we're here to help and simplify. To download your own W-9 and other forms, click the link at the end of this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more.